Hi there. This is Deb Davies, the owner of Push San Diego. And today we have our special guest, Dr. Brandy McGill, our own naturopath. Hello, Dr. Brandy.
Hi.
Thank,
How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's well.
thank you so much for being here today. And the purpose of having you on today is just to ask a few questions to find out a little bit about how naturopathy can help with infertility, especially. So we see a lot of infertility patients here. So can you just share with us like what you do and how it works and how you can help these kind of women?
Yeah, so I hel- our bodies are, you can say that our bodies are supposed to get pregnant. So that's what I try to do, is help the body do what it's supposed to do and heal itself naturally. So I try to get to the root cause of what's causing that infertility. So is it hormones? Is it digestive health? Is it the liver detoxification? Um, is it inflammation? Is there like an autoimmune condition that's causing your body to not get pregnant? So those are the things that I investigate. I really put my detective hat on and I go in there and try to, I ask questions of how they kind of got here to the clinic. And I might do labs. I usually will always do hormones. And I'll do some nutrition labs like vitamin D, vitamin B12, which are really important for us to get pregnant and for our immune system and for our overall health. And then I might do an autoimmune panel if it points to that, or I might investigate that digestive health a little bit more. But I always will usually start with the hormones because that's a lot of our issues is hormone issues. But the important part is what's causing those hormone issues. Um, that's and then I use, of course, the natural remedies like to help the body. So I always will give a prenatal usually because that will give us all the nutrients, one with a B12 in it. Uh, and I might even look at genetics then if I need to. But and then I will use nutrients. I might recommend a certain diet for the person depending on what I'm thinking might be causing the issue. And then I may give some supplements that help with eggs, like producing more eggs or egg quality. If we're in fertility stage, because that's important to make sure our eggs are good and quality. Um,
Well,
and then
that was kind of
sorry.
leading into my next question about
Yeah.
like IUI and IVF, and do you help with that? So
Oh yeah. So yeah, great question. I do. I will work with, of course, the doctor you're working with for IVF. And what I focus on more with IVF patients would be the egg quality. We might not do the hormones as much as focus because you will be giving hormones. And the important part for IVF is egg quality, and then we'll kind of separate into two stages: egg quality and then implantation part. If you're going them that way.
so what would somebody expect with an initial visit with you?
So the initial visit will be is usually about an hour and a half. And that's when I ask a lot of those questions. I'll do a mini physical exam just to make sure we're not missing anything. Listen to the heart, digestive. That digestive keeps coming up. I will do a digestive abdominal exam. Look into your ears, pretty much like you will when you go to your primary care doctor. Just want to make sure we're not missing anything. And then the last part, like 15 to 20 minutes, we'll talk about diet a lot. And then if there's any labs that I think that we should run based on that interview with you. And then the I'll run those labs probably between the first and the second visit. And then I will go over those labs with you the next visit. And that the next visits will usually be an hour, and it will be talking about like, how did that first initial treatment plan work? How are you doing with that diet? Is it fitting into your lifestyle? And if it's not, we'll make changes, because it's really about, if you're going to change your diet, it's really going to be about making it fit to your lifestyle.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So how can people reach you if they want to get a hold of you?
So I'm here at Push. I share an office with Push. I'm Moonstone Naturopathic. So when you go into Google, that's what you would type up. So it's moonstonenaturopathic.com, the website. And then you can also reach out by phone. The number is 619-784-3118. Of course, you can also email if you have some questions. It's info@moonstonenaturopathic.com. And then I have a Facebook and an Instagram account you guys can follow. And if you're interested in just seeing if we kind of are a perfect fit and if I can help you, I do offer free 15-minute consults. So that's a great way. And you can schedule those online or even call too.
Awesome. I love the free consults. I offer those as well. And I think it's really nice for people to see if you're a good fit or not.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, this is great. Thank you so much for your support.
Mm-hmm.
And you can find us at pushsandiego.com. We're on
Yep.
Facebook, on Instagram, YouTube
Awesome.
channel. So thank you so much and have
Thank
an
you for
awesome
having
day.
me.
Okay, yeah.